you so much to checking out my Market Presso review. So I am in the dashboard of Market Presso, and today I am going to reveal how Market Presso is benefited for you. So let's start it. My name is Govind and I am from the Tech Evoke team. So this is the members area of Market Presso. So before going deep dive into Market Presso, I want to share you my Market Presso bonuses only for you, and you will find the link in the description. If you want to buy Market Presso, you will get the free bonuses from my site. Here are the bonuses details. First is Rank Math, second one is Thrive Architect, third one is Divi Builder, Facebook groups, and free traffic with videos. So lots of bonuses are here. I am not going to reveal all the bonuses here. You can check all the bonuses with the link which is on the description. So before going to demonstrate the Market Presso working and its advantages, I want to tell you what Market Presso and how it is beneficial for you. So this is the landing page and the sales page of Market Presso, where you will buy the software itself. Okay, so what is Market Presso? They say world's first and only marketplace builder that gets you more clients, higher amount projects, builds your authority and kill the competition. So this is the software for the freelancers who want to launch their services solely. So this is the competition crushing software where you can create your own marketplace, where you can offer your own services to the clients you want. Okay, so this is different from the Fiverr and freelancers. The interface is same, but you don't have any competition here. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you are using Market Presso, you don't need to pay fee for every service to the marketplace service provider. So this is the own marketplace for you. You can create your own marketplace or your own services, your own reviews. So this is very good for the freelancers. So first of all I want to reveal the fees of the other freelancing platform. So if you go for Fiverr, you have to pay 20% uh, 20% charge of every job you complete there. Okay, so after 24% you have to pay 5% more to get the payment on your bank account. So this is very crucial thing for every marketers, because the fee itself, the client pay to you the full fee, you will not get the higher amount marketplace already taken to from you, because they are the giant and they create the platform so that you can meet with the client. So this is something sometimes good but sometimes not good. So here again another freelancing platform, which is market Upwork. Okay, so Upwork is also charging you. If you have income of 0 to $500, they charge you 5 they charge you 20% of the amount paid by the client. Okay, so to escape these things, the marketplace to escape these things, Market Presso is now in front of you, and you can benefit it with the Market Presso. Okay, so this is it for the Market Presso. Why you have to buy it, and what is the marketplace in by Market Presso you can create. Okay, so I am in the dashboard of Market Presso. So this is the members area where you can create your own market. So first of all I want to I want to show you one of the marketplace I have created recently. So this is the marketplace in the Market Presso members area I am created before. So you can see that here is the video and animation. So this is the banner, and this is the logo. The logo is not showing clearly because I use the different size of logo, so you have to match the size. So this is the featured categories. Okay, so this much of services you are offering to any of the customer, and uh, below you will see that about us. So it can be about me or anything, so you can add this. And featured services, so these are the featured services, and also here are the cu- customer reviews. So you can see that this is the full marketplace uh, page where you can list your services. So I'm going to open one of the service here. So this is the service. You can see that this is very authentic, and the price package are also available here. The price you create on Fiverr or a freelancer platform. So in MarketPresso you can create these type of packages, and you can show it to the client. So everything is here, but the only thing you have to buy the MarketPresso and launch your own marketplace. So how you can create the marketplace, I am going to demonstrate here. So here are the menus: marketplace, services, products, blog, settings. So the major menu is the marketplace, where you can create the uh, services. Okay, so in services here are lots of pre-made services available, and also you can add your own, your customized service to the marketplace. Okay, so these are the services already created here. Some of the services created by some other customers, or some services are already here, and the most of the things are already done for you. Okay, so I'm going to create a marketplace here. So to create marketplace you have to click on add new. So after clicking on add new, you can place your you can create your services or your products. Okay, so you can, or you can create both of us. So the freelancing services are for services. Okay, so I'm going to create the services. You can create also the products, like if you want to sell any product to any of the client, you can create here. Okay, so but the interface will be the same, just like you have seen here. Okay, so uh, so the best, for the best, you have to create the services. So by creating the services you have to give the name. So my name is Govin, marketplace, market. Okay, so here the URL. So the URL itself, what is the URL? You don't need to buy any of the domain and attach to the marketplace. So the domain itself created by the marketplace, so whichever the username you will give the marketplace. Okay, so here I am going to the URL. I am going to give the URL. So what is the URL? It should be Govin market. Yes, so it shows you available. So the sign should be shown here available. If the sign not showing unavailable, then you cannot take this username. Okay, so the username should be unique, so that your website address should be unique. Okay, so then I am going to save here. So after saving it, you will see that you can add your logo and the favicon. So to add the logo, you have to click here and upload your logo. So you can create your logo from any other platform like Canva or Photoshop. And in Canva, this is very easy to create a logo. Also, I can give you the bonus for creating the logo, but in MarketPresso there is no bonus for creating the logo. You can ask me on the mail which is provided here, info@techevoke.com. You can mail us to get the customized bonus if you buy the MarketPresso, if you decided to buy the MarketPresso. Okay, so I have created a logo already, which is the Govin marketplace. So here I am uploading it. So this is the logo. Okay, so I'm using it logo. So this is the logo, and this is the favicon is the site icon which is appearing here. Okay, so now I'm going to upload this. So this is the favicon, and open. Yes, so tick and then update. Okay, so this is it, and after putting these two things, now the main work is here. You have to add a new service. So by clicking on the service, you will see that all the services are appearing here which are already created, done for you. You can edit these services. What are the description you want to put, what are the banner you want to put, what are the packages you want to add. Okay, so one of the service I am putting here, which is the video editing, and assign the service. So you can add the multiple services also. Okay, so I want to create some demo here, so that I am creating one service right now. You can create many more services, no limit is here. You can add many more services, whatever you can create to the you can do for the client. Okay, so after adding the services, you have to click on edit. So edit icon is here. So this is the big menu. You have to do bunch of things here. You have to do lots of things here. So just like we place some gigs on Fiverr, we have to create first the service name and the description. About description is very long, and you should put it very long, so that you can create this type of service. So this is the service. So if you fill all the things here, recurring payment. So if a service is going to be recurring, then you can add here on the recurring payment. Okay, so one by one you can go to the menus, and also for the full descriptive demo you can go to the Saurabh Bhatnagar's, who is the vendor and creator of this product, Saurabh Bhatnagar and Karthik Ramani. So these two are the vendor and the owner of this product. So here are the demo video for the MarketPresso, which is full descriptive demo video, which is about 21 minutes. And after watching this video, you can create your own store. So I'm not going to one by one here, one by one menu here, section here, because the video will be very long if I go to all the menus. So you can create the marketplace here. So I am cutting it. Okay, so the service itself has added. I have to update it. So after updating, you can check your marketplace. So where you can view your marketplace. So this is the button. You can visit your marketplace, or this page is gone. So then you can go to the all marketplace. After going to the all marketplace, you will see your marketplace which you have created recently. Okay, so this is the marketplace. This is already I have created. So here you have to click on action and then visit marketplace. So after clicking on visit marketplace, you will see that your marketplace is here. So yeah, so this is your marketplace. Okay, so this is about the marketplace. You can change anything, and everything is customizable, and in your hand you can edit them. So this is the marketplace, and where is the services though. So you have to arrange the services so that the services will show here as similar to this marketplace. Okay, so for this you can go to the training and tutorial. They will give you all the trainings to you. Okay, so and that's it for the marketplace here. So you can add the service or products. So these two menus are for service and products, which you have to create on marketplace. So whatever product or service you create, you can add your marketplace. Okay, so here are blogs. So you will see that here are the blog section. Okay, so whatever the blog you write here, you can assign on your marketplace what blog you will put here. Okay, so I just for the second, just for a while, I want to share you how you can add the blog on your marketplace. So create the blog. So add new blog, you can click on this button. So after clicking on this button, you will see a pop-up here. So in pop-up, you can choose your marketplace. So this is as it is. So I only want to show you how you can attach your marketplace to any of the particular blog. So this is the option by which, so I am checking it. So this is the Govin Market I have created recently. So here the blog title, author name, short description, and the full content. Okay, so you can publish it. So this is the thing by which you can add your blog. Okay, so after adding the blog, you can check out the bonuses. Here are the manage customers. So all the things are here. This is your dashboard and your customer are manageable here. You can manage your customers here, and also you can see your orders. So this time I haven't any order here, so the order menu is now the blank. You will see that. So see this, there are no orders. If you have any orders, you will see here. Okay, so this is all for marketplace. So members area, you have to go for to create the highly authentic your own marketplace in the world, and you only have to promote your marketplace to the customers so that you can get the customers. Okay, so this is it for the marketplace. So you can check out the bonuses which marketplace which are offered on marketplace landing page. So you can check on the sales page of marketplace also. Okay, so I'm not going to show you because the sales page is very long. So here are the bonuses. You can benefit it to these 10 bonuses. You can download them or you can get the access. Okay, so these bonuses you will get, and along with these bonuses you will get my own bonuses if you will buy with my link. So if you are going to buy the marketplace, so then you only have to go to the tech ebook, which is my link, which is available on the description. So go there and buy the marketplace. So thank you for now.